Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. I will do it forever. If you haven't subscribed, so subscribe to my channel. So today I'm just telling you a small idea of entering a date and like enter a day, month, and year and find which day is for that date. So I have already done it. I've already published this in my Tableau public domain. You can come here and you can download this workbook, and you can check all the calculated field parameter and the logic. So I will demo you how I did. So let me clear this and let me open the workbook. Meanwhile, if you land into this page, you can directly subscribe to my channel clicking on this text. So let's open this one. I have already done it. I've already done it, and I'll tell you how I did. Before that, let's look into the information about the calculated field and parameter and what the points what we are going to learn out of this video. So we will learn creating a parameter and calculated field. I think the beginners will be knowing about this. So, and also we will learn the make date function and int function or formula, whatever you can say it. And left, it's close to like the Excel formulas. So ISO weekday and case statement. So we use this combination of these all six points to generate the day. Okay, let's look into the workbook. I'm just opening the sheet. I have created three parameters. Day parameter, I'm just editing and showing you. So I have just entered 1 to 31 days. This is of integer, so that we can select 1 to 31st. Even I have created month parameter. This is string. I've given like 01 and hyphen jan, so that people can identify what 01 means. It's for jan till December. Okay. And year, it is simply a string. So from 1900, so I've just taken till 2020. So you can select from here. So once you select, right, 15 August 1947. So how to find the day for it? Okay. After creating the parameters, I've created the forming date, calculated field. Here I have used the make date. So what make date does, like it takes three parameters. First is the year, second is a month, third is a day. So I have passed all three parameters inside this. So if you refer the first parameter, which is year, so if you remember, our this parameter is of string or text. So we have to consider integer of that value. So the moment if I select 1947, it is a string. So Tableau has to convert that to string so that make date can understand. You can see all the integer values we have to input to this make date function. Uh, so int of year is the first parameter, and month, right? We have 08 hyphen AUG. So we need to take only 08. So I've used the left function to cut only the first two character and then convert that to integer. So the third one, day, this is straightforward a integer value. So no need to do a conversion to integer. So year, month, day, which will form a date. If you see, this data type is already a date type, and I'm using the into the case statement. If you see, ISO weekday, so which tells me the day. So if it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, give me the relevant days. So here with this you will get the date, and I'm populating here.